Good morning, respected teachers. I'm Mr. Arvind Raj of Standard 9 says present before you all with my physics project. And my physics project is based on a topic which is the Newton's third law. So what and this is our Newton. So what is Newton's third law? So it comprises that every action has equal and opposite reaction. So what does this mean? So it's very simple. It what we can see that if an object has an action, so that when the action has been performed, a reaction will be given by the object or to someone or respect to it. Either we will see it or we will not see it. We will not be able to see it, but the reaction will be there and that will be equal and opposite to that what the action has been performed. So we will take it with an activity for better understanding of Newton's third law. So what will be things required? Will be two spring balances, a heavy object and a light object. So now we will put a heavy object and two spring balances at two different places, a bit far to them each other, and then we will put a heavy object on one side and a light object on another side. Oh my god, it's so interesting. What we will see the conclusion. So the observation, we will see that the heavy object which was put will go more down, will get attracted towards the uh, ground due to its weight. Also its weight give it advantage, and even because of gravity attracts it. So gravity is the constant for everything. So what the weight is, or the weight of mass, whatever we will say, is only the factor which will lead to attraction here. So the more will be that, the more will be attraction, and the more will be attraction, the more will be expansion of spring balance. So here we will see in the heavy object the spring will get expanded more, much more than the light one. So that is what this observation wants to say all about. So now I will move to my second topic which was given. So the second topic was on two things. Both were connected to each other. What are that? Uniform circular motion. So this and one more is centripetal force. Now wait it, just let it be loaded. Yeah, so now what we will see that in centripetal force, what is uniform circular motion, and how centripetal force is associated with it, related with it, we will relate it. So what if first we will see about this uniform circular motion. When an object moves in a circular path with constant speed, it is termed as uniform circular motion. So first what we will see is the name. So name relates uniform circular motion. It means the motion is uniform at the circular path. So we know that when uniform motion is there, then our v and u, initial velocity and final velocity, always be constant, means they are always same. So the same what when v is equal to u, then that's uniform motion. So in circular motion nothing changes, only the thing is that the track, the path on which they move just get changes, that is circular. And the force which attracts a person to the center of the circular path, that is only known as centripetal force. So now but many will say that, oh, this is not so understandable, what is the related. So let's take an example. Let's say that a bike race is going on. All five players are running together. One is at very high speed and what at five, and the one is at behind. So the one behind was when the fast one turned, then what did he bended, but and he bended a lot. He was very less space, he there was very less space between him and the ground. So but he didn't fall because of his actual tires quality are also there, and because it was that the more speed would have thrown him, but centripetal force attracted him toward each other. And we it is not given, but there are two forces. One more force is there which leads to balance. So in that case both got balance, so that doesn't fall. But what we see, the fast one who was running, he turned, so his bike just bent down. But this is just the center. Why I will say, then you will say very circular path. That's the circular path. It's turning there. So when it turns, the path made by it, that is the, either you can say arc shape, you can say bit curve shape, but that's actually in a circular path. So that's all about the centripetal force. So Thank you. This was only my project. I hope you might like my video. Thank you.